Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. My channel is about motherhood, thrifts and finds, and beauty. Today I'm really just sharing some things that I thrifted. As always, I tell you guys, go out there and look for things, thrift things. You actually get unique things at very unique prices, and that's the beauty of thrifting. I'm going to be sharing some few things that I thrifted recently. Yeah, that I really love, and I think I got them at a good price. Yeah, so let's see. Some of them I might not use them. I'll probably just post them on my thrift and finds page on Instagram. So if you want to go there and buy, feel free. Okay, let's get right into it because there's not that much. The first thing is this towel holder. Should probably have like this. It's a towel holder. I got this for 150 bob. I really love it. I like that it's white. It has a wooden feel as opposed to the metallic ones. The only thing it's missing is this screw, the bottom part of the screw, but this one you can easily get at a hardware shop for even 20 bob. So yeah, and I think this was a really good find. It's very new. There's nothing that is broken on it, and I got it at a very good price. So yeah, this I'll probably use, most likely use it next to my dining table. I sometimes feel like it's just good to have, if you have a sink near your dining table, it's important to have something like this to just hang your towel. The other thing I thrifted is this beautiful candle holder. The sun today is just kissing us all over the place, but ni sawa tu, we are not complaining. Yeah, so I got this candle holder. I really love it. It's really simple, rustic at the top. It has a golden detail, which I really love. Yeah, so I'll probably place this on my study desk, or I might decide to sell it. I'll just see what to do with it. But you can also use it as a decor piece, which is really, yeah, it's lovely. In fact, if you have gold in your house, then the gold detail would really match nicely. This one was, I think, 200 bob. I can't remember very well. The other candle holder I got is this amazing candle holder. I don't know if you guys can see. The detail on it is just magical. Yeah, so it needs a bit of cleaning at the bottom, but I don't mind. I really love the shape of this. I would place it nicely on top of even a credenza. You can use it on your dining table. You can place it as a decor piece, as a centerpiece. I mean, you can do a lot with this. I really love it. I still haven't figured out how I'll use it, but yeah, we'll see. You'll probably see it in one of my videos. Then I got this amazing, I don't even know what to call it. What I had in mind is just to literally place pebbles inside of it and place it on top of in the middle of my credenza in the living room, or also place those dried, I don't know what they're called. Is it dried leaves? And they have nice scents. I don't know what those things are called, but I've seen them. I think I've seen them at Mr. Price Home. I've also seen them in House of Leather. So I might get those ones and just place them inside of this. Imagine, guys, I got this at 100 bob. 100 bob, and it's so heavy. It's new. It's, oh my god. I mean, I wish you could just look at the detail on it. Such an amazing piece, such a beautiful piece to have. I'm sure I can do a lot with this. So yeah, I also got a vase. This is how it looks. It has like what is it called? It has frosting at the bottom. Oh yeah, I hope that's clear. It has frosting at the bottom, and then it's just clear glass on the top. I love the way it is. I think you can put artificial flowers in it. You can put it on a console table. You can also put it in the middle of your dining table. You can also just use it as a centerpiece. You can put some artificial flowers and place it in your kitchen counter. You can do a lot with this. I think it's a very unique vase. I think I got this for 200 bob. Yeah, which I think was a good steal. So yeah, there you go, there you go. I think it's I don't know, for those guys, for those of you who know brands, that is the brand. Camera is not focusing, not focusing. Yeah, but anyway, yeah. The other thing I got is this. I don't know if it will be able to come out. I got this sort of like prayers for little boys. It's like a set of prayer cards for my son, which are really just cool. I don't know, wow, the lighting, guys. Let me see if I can shift it a bit. Okay, I think that's better. Yeah, so the cards are literally just cards that have prayers, and then they have like drawing, really just cute prayers. Let me read one for you guys. So this I just picked it. Dear Father, I'm glad that you love me. My mom says that you love me even when I am grumpy or mean or mad or stubborn. You love me no matter what. You will never stop loving me. Amen. So yeah, they're really just nice, cute cards that have different prayer items for dads, for granny, for cooking, for school. Yeah, so I'm so glad I got this, because it will really help me, because my son is I now have to now just start teaching him to pray by himself. So I think this will really come in handy. It's prayer for little boys. It's basically just a set. I think I got this for $2.50 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, such a good steal. Then the other thing I got is this bamboo skewers. I got these ones for 50 bob. They're literally new bamboo skewers. So if you're doing a barbecue, you can use these ones. They're natural. They're brochettes. I don't know, it's brochettes, please. See, Joey. Yeah, but they're original bamboo. Like literally, you can just see. And they are 30 pieces. I got this for 50 bob, so it was a good steal. Then the last thing I'm going to be showing you guys today is frames that I got. They are like frames that have been made out of dried leaves. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, I am not sure about this sun today. It's too much. They're literally made out of dried leaves. Very natural. I love them. And I got a twin set. So a twin set of the same framing, which I really love. I'm not sure where to place this, but I might either sell them or see what to do. But yeah, they are literally handmade. They're even written handmade, original Australian design. They are made out of dried leaves. One is closed, one is open, but you can see, and then they have Australia at the top. I really love this. I think I got the set for 250 bob. Yeah, which I think was a good steal as well, considering it's frames tunajua, and it's 2 of them, and it's a twin set. I think that was a good steal. Yeah, the other thing which I got and I've already used, and you've seen it in, you'll probably see it in a lot of my videos, is this cute earring set. How cute is this? Yes, this is an like an earring holder. It's just like a plastic lady who has hooks that I used to hang my earrings. And yeah, of course you guys know I love this earring so much. I don't know why it showed on the screen, but yeah, so you'll probably be seeing this in most of my videos because it's like a small background thingy showing. Yeah, so I got these things in Donholm. There's a place in Donholm. I'm just horrible with directions, but I'll try. On Donholm, there's a road past where the Caltex petrol station was. If you go down on that road, there's a mama who sells like decor items, I got them from there. So if you'd like to also go and get yourself some nice things, why not? Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know if it was a steal or not, but I feel like I got good items at a good price. And yeah, until next time, bye 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 bye.